Hey boys, the lighting in here is horrible. How the fuck am I gonna make this fit? The frame rail over here, frame rail over here, and the cab just isn't wide enough to go back any further. And my rocker panels are hitting the frame here and here, right? Freaking frame just hits the rocker panel on the inside. I mean, it comes to like here. So I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do. Oh, I got the history guy playing in the background. Yeah, she's coming along. Hey, so I gotta figure that shit out, right? I just gotta figure that shit out, boys. I mean, I could trim more out here, you know, to, you know, where the fuck ever really make it fit. But back in there, yeah, you can see where it's connected. That needs to clear right back in there on both sides. So, I don't know. I want to make it happen. Because I want that frame all the way up inside the fucking cab, boys. By God, if I'm building the damn thing, it's going to be fucking built the way I want it to, right? But I don't know how to make it do what I want it to do. So, somebody get their freaking shit together and tell me what the hell I need to do, because I'm a dumbass. Alright, keep your sacks up.